The outer live stakes have fruits of the Alnus Celerata, ripen around the end of the fall and last throughout winter. They look like small pine cones. It has male and female flowers which are seen during fall. It can grow up to 15 feet, but sometimes can grow up to a height of a small tree. It requires good sun to grow, and it can withstand acidic to neutral soil. It is generally found as a large shrub bordering streams and rivers. It is used to treat cutaneous diseases and to treat an upset stomach. It is widely used in shoreline restoration projects. If you live by a stream bank, this will be the best shrub for you as it will prevent erosion of the soil and protect the shore. It provides a great cover for ducks and is commonly used for birds to build nests. This plant does well in zones 3 to 8 and has a mature height of 20 to 30 feet and also a mature width of 20 to 30 feet. The growth year rate is 3+ feet a year. It needs full sun to partial shade and prefers most soils. It also can be found by the name of Alnus Celerata.